Good morning all of you. Next topic is how we find out the area of square if the measures are given in decimal form or in fraction form. Okay, we already discussed how we find out the area of square using normal numbers. Side into side, that's the equation, and if we have numbers then you can multiply. But instead of that normal numbers, if the decimal numbers is given, then how we find out it? You know how to multiply the decimal numbers. Then you can easily find out the area using these type of numbers. Area is equal to, what's the equation? Side into side, that is 2.5 into 2.5. Consider it as normal numbers multiplied 25 into 25. 5 5s are 25, carrying 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Then 5 2s are 10, carrying 1. 2 2s are 4, plus 1, 5. So what is the answer? 625 is the answer. But we have total 2 digits after the decimal point. So we move 2 places to the left. So the answer is 6.25. And the measuring given in centimeter. So the final answer is 6.25 centimeter square. Okay. Then another question. If we have fraction form, for example 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is given. One side is 5 by 2. Then how we find out the area? Area is equal to, what's the equation? Side into side. That is, side is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. That is 5 into 5. If we have common factors, we can simplify it by cancelling with numerator and denominator. But here we have no common factors exist. So we multiply 5 into 5, 25 by 2 into 2, 4, 25 by 4. We can write it in mixed form. 25 by 4, 6 4s are 24 and remainder 1. So the answer is 6 and 1 by 4. 6 4s are 24. 6 and 1 by 4. So 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 4, and its unit is centimeter square. If we have meter, then you write it as 6 and 1 by 4 meter square. Okay, in this way we find out the area of square. If we have decimal numbers or fractional numbers or normal numbers, natural numbers, then we can easily find out the area of square. Okay, next we move to the another topic or last topic of this chapter, volume. Before explaining volume, we discuss some solid shapes. You know what is the name of this figure? It is cuboid. It is cuboid. Cuboid means all the faces are of rectangular shape. And how many faces are there? 6 faces are there. This is the model of a cuboid, and here we have 6 faces. Which are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces are there, and all the faces are of rectangular shape. So here we have 3 dimensions. Which are they? Length, breadth and height also. That is, if you multiply all these measures, we get the volume of this solid figure cuboid. That is L into B into H. L into B into H is the equation to find out the volume of a cuboid. For example, if the length is 3, length is 5, breadth is 3 and height is 4, then what is the volume of this cuboid? So length is 5, breadth is 3 and height is 4. So if you multiply these 3 measures, and 5 3s are 15, 15 into 4, 60 is the volume. Then what is its unit? the measures are in centimeter, then the unit of volume is cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Now this, if measures are in meter, then it become meter cube, and if the measures are in centimeter, it become centimeter cube. That is unit of volume is cubic unit. Cubic unit. Unit of volume is cubic unit. Unit of area is square unit, and unit of volume is cubic unit. Volume of this cuboid is length into breadth into height, that is 5 into 3 into 4. It is 60 centimeter cube. In this way we can easily find out the volume of cuboid. In a cuboid, if all the faces are equal, then that figure become a cube. Cube means somewhere like this. This is the model of a cube. Length, breadth and height are same. This is the model of a cube, and here look at here, all the faces are of square shape. How many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces are there, and all the faces are of square shape. And here length is A, breadth is A and height is A. So if you compare with the volume of cuboid, what you get here? Volume of cube is equal to length is A, breadth is A, height is also A. So what is the volume? A into A into A is A cube. So what is the volume of a cube of side 7 centimeter? Find the volume of a cube of side 7 centimeter. What's the answer? Volume is equal to A cube. A cube means A into A into A. A multiplied 3 times. So 7 into 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 7. What do you get? 7 fours are 28 plus 6, 34. 3, 4, 3. So what is the answer? 3, 4, 3, and the side is 7 centimeter. That is, the measure is given in centimeter. So the answer is centimeter cube. In this way we find out the volume of a cube. Another question, find the volume of a cube. Find the volume of a cube of side 2.1 centimeter. That is, volume is equal to A into A into A. That is 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. We have decimal number here. So what we do? We first multiply 21 into 21. 1, 2, 2, 2 2s are 4, 1, 4, 4. Again we multiplied by 21. 1, 4, 4, 2, 8, 8. 1, 6, 2, 9. 9 to 6, 1. Is this the final answer? This is not the final answer. 9261 we get, but here total how many digits are there after the decimal point? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. So we move to 3 places to the left from the end, because the decimal point is not marked in a number, means that decimal point lies at the end. From that end point we move 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? 9.261. And what is the unit? Centimeter. So the answer is centimeter cube. 9.261 centimeter cube. In this way we find out the volume of a cube, and in this chapter we discussed about perimeter, area and volume. Hope you understood all the topics. Okay, thank you.